How to install the AMD graphics drivers on Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. To install using the AMD Auto Detect utility, first open your browser and search for AMD graphics driver. You will land on the result page where you have to click on the first link of AMD. You will land on this page where you will see Download Windows Drivers and Download Linux Drivers. Click on Download Windows Drivers, and once the exe file gets downloaded, you simply need to click on this download icon at top right corner and then install from that exe file. Now let's click on this exe file. You will land on this page where you have to double click on this exe file and click on yes button on this new window. You need to wait until the next process starts. So this window of AMD Software installer opens. You need to click on close button because right now there is a error. So here is the possible cause and the solution for not installation of AMD software. You need to solve this issue and AMD software installer will launch and scan your system for your graphics card and necessary drivers. You need to review the recommended drivers. Optionally, click additional option to perform a factory reset if needed. You can also allow or reset data collection from AMD, then click install. The installer will detect and install the latest drivers, including chipset drivers if applicable. After installation, restart your computer and once rebooted, click the AMD software icon in the system tray to open AMD Adrenaline software, and you can adjust setting and check for updates. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.